Lima X-ray, flighting 175, runway 20, cleared for takeoff.
Metro Wi-Fi 3. Metro Wi-Fi 3, Phoenix Tower, high altitude 3001. 3001, we're 10 out for St. John's Field. If you're ident, altitude. Ident 2100 for Wi-Fi 3. Metro 3, radar contact him outside of St. Albans Airport. Clear to Bravo airspace, on course. Clear to Bravo on course, Wi-Fi 3. If you can maintain 2000 and we can head into our fun. We'll maintain 2000 for Wi-Fi 3. South 775, contact departure, good day. South 775, good day. Airline flight 3 of traffic at 8 o'clock and about 2 miles, Southwest 73 at 4,000, setting to 3 for the final. Airline flight 3 is searching traffic. Tower Southwest 1333, no right base for 6 o'clock. Southwest 1333, clean tires, traffic 3 o'clock, and about 2 miles, helicopter low, 2,000 northbound. Searching. Southwest 1333, only 6 left to land. Clear to land, 6 left, Southwest 1333. My flight 3 out traffic. Alright, maintain separation. Airline flight 3, the traffic's about 9 o'clock now. Flight 3 inside. Maintain separation. Racing 737. Flight 3 maintains the separation, no traffic. Maintain separation, my flight 3. Southwest 1333, helicopter now 2 o'clock, 2 miles, they have you in sight. We'll maintain separation. Copy, thanks, we're still searching, Southwest 1333. Airline flight 3, we'll just pass behind that traffic. Sure, it'd be better if we go above it and in front of it if we can. Louder. Top mile. We're deviating right for this traffic. Right there, Roger, would you like only 6 right? Negative, we can come back. Yeah, we're going to execute a go around. We got an RA. Southwest 13 right there, Roger, 1 able, fly heading 060. Heading 060, Southwest 1333. Southwest 1333, climb maintain 3000. Climb maintain 3000, Southwest 1333. Southwest 1333, climb maintain 4000, turn left heading 320. Climb maintain 4000 and left turn 320, Southwest 1333. Southwest 1333, contact departure 126.55. 2655, Southwest 1333.